Hi guys, so I made this really bad video. I'm very sorry. It just took forever to render and mess with, so I'm just not going to do it again. It has some glitches and some goofy places, but I wanted to encourage you guys to kind of get involved in what our community is doing as an art club and to paint an egg on your window. So I just kind of did this how-to video. If you just want to jump in and do it, you just do that, and I'll say that here in a bit, but good luck, and please let me know if you have any questions.
Art Club's going to challenge you to do an Easter egg in your window for the kids in our town to do an Easter egg hunt around town. So I was going to show you how to do it. If you know how to do it or you have your own ideas, do it your own way. That is fine. I'm just going to give you some tips on how to do it. So the easiest way is to have a stencil of your egg, and I was just going to show you how to make a large egg if you didn't have one. So this is basically what we're going to end up with. Okay. But the only thing you need to do that is just some kind of big paper. Newspaper would work if you have that at home. I happen to have some poster board here that works fine. You're just gonna find a big old plate or a pizza pan, something big like that. You don't have to use a Sharpie, although it's easier to see. And you just go around. This just makes sense, right? I just marked on myself. Go around like this. Okay, make your circle. Then you kind of have to figure out where your halfway point is, and I know this one's 15 because I did it earlier, and you're just going to mark that at the 7.5, and you're going to use your ruler and put a line up through the middle, like this one is, and I added about 3.5 inches of height to my 15-inch. Do whatever looks right to you. And then you're just going to come here around the edge, and I did this with the pencil first, and just go up like this and extend that out to an oval. Okay, so you have an egg. All right, then you're going to take that to your glass window, and I would recommend painting on the inside of your window, okay, because then the weather doesn't mess it up as much. So take your egg, tape it to the outside, about like this. You can do it crooked. Okay, then you've got your egg on the outside. Come back to the inside and use your paint on this side and just trace it on the inside. You could also have your drawing done completely on that side and just trace it to the side if you want to do it that way.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do then is do your black outline and then go ahead and draw in whatever design you're going to do. So I did a pretty simple one and I freehanded this, but you do not have to freehand it. You could have a picture of a lily or whatever design you want to have and then just trace it onto the inside. Those of you that have done windows with me before know how this goes. Then your next step is to do your big chunks of color. So since my egg is just pink, I'm just putting the pink in. But um, to remind you, like let's say you wanted this egg to have polka dots, you should put the dots on first, let it dry, and then paint the pink over the top of that because you want the dots to show through from the other side. Okay, or you could go on the other side of the window and paint the dots on, but at that point, then you're exposing it to the rain and any other kind of elements. So do your big chunks of color. Okay, then add any details you want to show. So I wanted the little inside pokey things of my lily to show on the other side, so I painted those in first. Let's same way, just kind of like the polka dots. Whatever you want to do, the little details put in first before you paint the color over them. Okay, and then remember, if you want to add words, you can just print them out on your computer or find a thing, put them on the other side, but then make sure you're putting them on the other side backwards. So they'll look backwards to you when you're painting them. So if you're looking at it from the outside, you put them on correct when you tape them on. But then when you come to the inside, they should look like they're backwards. That will make them correct then when you paint them on. So that's what this shows here. Okay. Then I recommend when you're all done, so this is kind of what it looks like when it's done, the flower and all that. But then when you're all done, I painted a light colored paint over all the back of it. Make sure it's super dry before you do that. But if you do that, it just helps it show up better because the paint just looks thicker. So then when it's completely done, it looked like this from the inside. Okay, so not real pretty to look at from the inside. And then from the outside, it looked like this. And I'm sorry for the terrible glare. I cannot figure out how to get that glare off there, but
So
that's
as far as paint, I would use acrylic if you have it at home. Super paint, if you have that at home. Poster paints are the same thing. Any of those things. Some people are recommending to, so it works fine. It just doesn't coat as dark. All I do is just put it on there, and then you can kind of scratch it off with a razor blade later to clean it off, or you can scrub it off if you just use a little elbow grease and get it soppy wet. It'll come right off. So that's how you do the process. If you have questions, please let me know, and we'll talk more about that. Thanks.
good luck, guys. Hope it goes well. Please send me a picture if you get yours done so we can post it so kids know where to look for them. Mine's in my back side of my house, so if you want to see mine, you'll have to walk through the alley. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.